Came out this morning and discovered something weird in the hen house. Peanut had stolen some of Popcorn's eggs. She was in here with Peanut last night, so I went ahead and locked him in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5. I don't. Would you watch out, Blue? I see 5 of them over here. I don't know if she's got all 6 eggs, or maybe there was only 5. Whatever. It looks like Peanut has. Stop, Blue. Stop. Go on. Go. Move. Blue was attacking me here. Okay, so there may be a fight over these babies. Popcorn is still laying there, so I don't know. Blue, stop. Sorry, I'm being attacked by Blue as I'm doing this. Well, ducks are getting this area of the hen house pretty stinky. I wish I could clean it before those babies are born. And if Peanut doesn't end up on top of those pretty soon, they're going to get too cooled off. Is she going to lay down or not? Nope. She was covering them up so she could leave. Now we're going to find out what's going to happen next. Will Popcorn get them back? Should I just shut the door so Peanut can't come out? Well, drama. Birds and drama. I'm going to go open the back gate. I hope she doesn't stay off those eggs because it is nearly freezing out here. Oh, let's get this bait. I get some of that thawed out. I don't know why the water is foaming. Okay, I think I'm going to just cut it off here. See you later. Bye-bye.